Hello, in this video I want to show you how to take a full page screenshot on Samsung Galaxy M33. And to do this you'll need to open your settings or any app that allows you to scroll down. Right here, click on the power key and volume down key at the same time. You'll make a screenshot. Now press on this arrows pointing down icon. Now it should scroll down through your settings. Let's try that again. So click on this button until you're satisfied with an amount of a page captured with a screenshot. Click on the screenshot to open it, and right here we can click on these three arrows, or actually I think we just need to go back and the screenshot should be saved in our gallery automatically. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.